Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So my CCV or PVC, whatever the hell it's called, went to shit on me. This is a 2006 325xi. So I'm going to delete the son of a bitch and put a catch can in. So this is how I'm going to do it. I don't have the catch can, it's coming tomorrow, but so I live in Minnesota where it's damn cold, and so I stripped the heated line from the old pipe. It wrapped around this. I stripped it out, and the new line, I'm gonna wrap it around there and tape it, foam it. It's gonna come from that guy there to the PVC, this guy, then to the end of the catch can, then it's going to come out of the catch can to where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Oh, right here. To this guy that goes like that. Then I'm gonna cut this off, then cut this off so it'll be a quick connect going back there. Then it'll be quick connect still here. Then I got my heater there. Then I'll wrap the other two lines with these. Then I won't throw no code because I'll have all of them plugged in. And I'll block off the oil return line that goes to the oil pan down there. I'll block that completely off. Then, yeah, I think that'll be it. Tomorrow I'll make another video when I get my oil catch can, and I'll make it better. I'm trying to think here, sorry. Yep, and that's it. This is bolts on underneath the intake here. I'm just gonna get rid of that sucker. And that'll be it. And that should work. All right. Thanks, guys. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, have a good one.